Jamaican culture. Share. Jamaica culture consists of the religion, norms, values, and the lifestyle that defines the people of Jamaica. In today's video, I will be sharing some of our food, like the mangoes, bulla, pear. Those are things that we're very close to. There are others too, but this is just one little bit. It's a whole lot. But before we do that, I was wondering, I know that the bulla of Jamaica was the one who invented bulla, but mango and pear, I know Jamaica. So me decide say, me I go find out where it come from. And the one sharing the They say mango originate from India. Me no know. Because we have so much mango at Jamaica. We have all kind of mango tree at Jamaica. We have our lover's mango. Sweetie, come brush me. Color mango. Blackie. You ever hear that? East Indian. Then we have mango with number. Not numbers, Number. We are number 11. And we have mango like chicken. We have beefy. We have whole heap of mango. So me think of it Jamaica mango come from. No, me know say India. Then the pear. We love pear. We eat pear especially with bulla. We think the pear and bulla married. But hear this. Pear, you know where pear come from? You don't know where pear come from? Pear come from Central and South America. And that's where pear come from, Me didn't think of Jamaica pear come from because me see the whole heap of pear tree them. When they pick the pear them and they turn and they pick them and they wrap them up in a paper. No, in a paper, in a newspaper. Still paper. And then they ripe. So me think of the Jamaica, all of them things they come from. But then over that, look on the breadfruit where we love. We cook breadfruit, we boil breadfruit, we fry breadfruit, and we love it. I know Jamaica breadfruit come from. Breadfruit come from one place named Guinea. In the New Guinea. So and all of the same thing that we love, most of the things that we love, I know Jamaica they come from. But we love them. We love them like a few of them. The pear and the bulla now. We know the bulla. We invent the bulla. Right. You might want to ask, how do they use make bulla? We know they use molasses. They use baking soda and other spices and make bulla. But I know how that bulla and pear, as me said, they married. You know them days in Jamaica, they used to have this thing about this married to that married to. They used to marry food. You want flour, you have to get cornmeal, they marry the flour and the cornmeal. So are the pear, the pear and the bulla now. This are the bulla. I don't talk too much of it because I don't want to fly no pit. Pit. That's pit, pit. So if you see me turn my face sideways, I cut the bulla, I don't want no pit fly. I don't talk too much, because I don't want no pit fly night. So I cut the bulla. Remember the bulla? And then pull out the chair. So the bulla and the pear. Me say you can eat bulla. Me not talk the big pit fly. You can eat bulla and butter, bulla and cheese. But bulla and pear, Lord Jesus, is sweet. Watch me now, me cut the pear. And I slice with slice pear now. I peg with peggy pear. So we'll peggy. And we peggy, we cut it, see that? We peg. We don't slice pear, we peg pear. And you peggy pear. Lord Jesus. This pear look like say kinda soft, but as long as you can eat and you put you sprinkle, you prinkle. Jamaicans say prinkle little salt. And you prinkle little salt on it. This a pear and bulla. That me go eat, you know. The mango in Jamaica, we don't eat mango with knife. We use with teeth and we peel the mango. They say when we don't eat the mango, if you ever see the seed, Lord Jesus, the seed white, not a white chalk or white paint. I'm going to bite one little piece for you, because I can't eat this mango here. Eat too much. See, we bite it. And then after we bite it, we'll peel it now. The skin keep coming off. So when you bite it, it's supposed to peel. It's supposed to peel all the way down when you bite it. See? We can't eat no more. And then we have bulla and cheese. And then two are married. And then to top it off, you say, what you want? What you want for drink? Liquor water or blackishy. You know when they say blackishy, they want a little sugar in it. Then I drink the pure water, and Jamaican love blackish the water and put little lime in it, and then they say sugar and water. But me will drink little water. And me eat my pear and my bulla. And me eat my mango. And me I tell you, me I go enjoy. Me I go enjoy. Thank you if you listen to me. Thank you if you watch me. Like. Go like it. Subscribe. And share it. Tell everybody say me I eat bulla and pear and eat mango. Tell everybody say me I eat the goodies. Thanks for watching.